Namaste, this is Rishikesh Writings, and we are in the one of the spiritual pilgrimage from Uttarakhand, India. It's called a Badrinath, and we are at the moment with the Rishi Dattatreya ji, and let us know about the place. Namaste, Rishi Dattatreya ji.
Namaskar.
Dattatreya ji, what is the significance of Badrinath ji? And at the moment we are nearby the Charan Paduka, which is called a holy feet of Badrinath, Badri Vishal ji, or a Lord Vishnu. Um, please describe us a little bit. Behind, if we see, I'm going to show you that this is the Neelkant temple. Sorry, it's called a Neelkant mountain. So we back to the discussion.
In Satyuga, Badrinath ji meditated for 5,000 years over here. And there is a very beautiful statue of Lord Badrinath over here. He is sitting in Siddhasana. And in Badrish Panchayat, Yaksharaj Kuber is also there, Bhagwan Naradis is there, his Sakha Udo is there, Bhagwan Naranarayan is also there, and Urvashi is also there. And Bhrugu Vallari, the feet of Bhrugu, is enmarked on the chest of Bhagwan Badrinath. Lakshmi ji helped Bhagwan Narayan in meditation by becoming a tree which is called Badri. Therefore, Bhagwan Narayana said that in near future, whenever if my name is taken, your name is going to be taken first before me. That is why the Badri Narayan is always set. And it is a very beautiful place, 60 kilometers ahead of Joshimath, and it's a holy and divine place. Lot of Rishi Munis over the period of years, period of centuries, ages, have meditated over here. And I have also meditated a lot over here, and I am coming for 15 to 17 years over here continuously. And what I feel that doing meditation at Badrinath gives you 100 times better results than meditation at any other place.
So we will show you the behind
Yes,
the Neelkant mountain.
Sure.
So can we?
Yes, sure.
Yeah. So
Please.
behind our back, so you can see the Neelkant mountain. Why it is called a Neelkant mountain?
That is because it is said to be the place of Lord Shiva, and Shiva is one of the name is Neelakantha, because he was having due to poison taken, he has taken poison. That is why his stopped poison in his throat, and that's why his throat becomes blue. So Lord Shiva's one of the name is Neelakantha. So it is this mountain is said to be a place of Shiva. Even Badrinath is also earlier place of Shiva. When Vishnu came here, then Badrinath Lord Shiva handed over this place to Lord Vishnu, and Lord Shiva went to Kedarnath. That is the story behind it.
And we heard that you also do a meditation. Would you like to share about what meditation, how to do a meditation, and how we will take meditation as a part of our daily life?
Yes, meditation is very important in daily life. What do you understand by meditation, dhyan, and sadhana? First of all, one should know about it. First of all, whenever you are starting the meditation, you must focus on your breath. This is a very simple technique. At the tip of nose or over here, you have to concentrate. But the concentration never should be in a harsh manner. You have to sit at quiet place, just be calm and collective, and let the energy flow with the prana, and thereafter you will feel the experiences here on.
Here you use the word prana. So if we, for our viewer, what is prana, and how the prana is most important part of the meditation?
Yes, prana is actually an important part in your entire life, your body. Prana is energy. Prana is the shwas, the breathing which you are taking in. This is prana. There are main 5 types of prana: prana, vyana, apana, udana, samana. And with prana you nourish your body, mind and intellect. So prana is the source of energy, and mastering your prana, you become more and more intelligent, and more you come to know about the Brahman. That is the main concept.
So Brahman means a cosmic energy.
Yes, the cosmic energy prevalent in the entire universe, and the self is inside you. So Atman is also a part of Brahman.
So Atman means a spirit. We can
Spirit,
say.
spirit, and spirit, the nourishing of spirit is done by the prana.
So at the moment we are nearby the Badrinath, most
Yes.
auspicious
Yes.
place in the universe, or we can say
Yes,
in
definitely.
India.
Definitely.
Would you like to share some of the meditation techniques to our viewers so they can practice this meditation on their house or on their public
Yes,
their places?
as I said earlier, there are a lot of techniques described by various gurus, and guru teaches you how to meditate, and how to go ahead in the path of spiritual journey. What I want to tell every beginner who want to take the meditation in their daily life and routine, the first and foremost essential part of every meditation or every sadhana is control of your breath. Observe the silence, observe the breath. This is the basic two principle which one has to follow, and when you follow this is called meditation, and nothing is meditation. The techniques, don't go on the techniques. There are a lot of techniques, and as long as you go in this field, you will come to know techniques. There are various sadhana techniques, but if you go on sadhana techniques first and then follow the prana and the shwasa and control your breath, observe your breath, observe the silence, then you are not going to understand what the concept is. So first master yourself by becoming calm, by becoming silent. Observe silence all the time, observe your breath all the time, take always deep long breath. So meditation can be done anywhere if you are sitting in the office. But what I suggest, that every morning one should wake early, because morning is the best meditation time, and oxygen level is also very high, so it will help you a lot in your life.
It was pleasure to speak with you on this precious place, Badrinath, and we will bring you more spiritual seekers and spiritual practitioner or teacher in our show. Keep watch the Rishikesh writings, and yeah, please, if you would like to know about more, so Rishi Dattatreya, it's his YouTube channel. Would you like to share about your YouTube channel so people can also see your YouTube channel and get some glimpse of the spiritual journey?
Yes, it's with the name of Rishi Dattatreya, RISHIDATTAREYA, and whatever I feel and whatever I have studied of Vedas and Vedantas, so sometimes I describe and share with people. I don't find myself very knowledgeable, but whatever I am experienced in my life, I always share. So thank you very much, Rishikesh Writings and Ananda. I'm very happy with him at Badrinath and feeling very divine. Thank you.
So here on our back side, you can see the Nilkant mountain, and it's called the Shiva mountain. And backside, if I'm going to show you, this is called the special feet of the Badrinath ji. So this is also worshipable. Thank you very much with us, and we will bring you a new story from Himalaya.